Okay, so here we have our board. It's laminated, hot coated, it's dry. And this board is shiny, which is a gloss and polish. And so we have one more step on this one, which is we're going to sand down that patch. We're just going to feather it in and kind of get it all shiny and flat. And then we'll put a nice thin hot coat on it, which is called the gloss coat, which after that we'll polish out. So let's grab the machine and the 50 grit, which is what I use. At home you probably want to use a 100 grit or an 80 grit, which is a little bit less of a grit sandpaper, and then that way you can't really burn through all that fiberglass. I have really good touch, so I'll just feather it in real nicely. What I'll do is you'll see me start on the outside and then just kind of flatten it out by working around the fiberglass, taking the edges down. So let's do that. So now that we use the machine for the real, real work, we'll just go ahead and flatten it out by hand and just kind of get the feel for it. Just make sure it's real flat. Any high spots, kind of knock it down, and that should do. So let's blow it off, and I'll show you what we have here. So now we have the two patches. The inside smaller patch is right here, obviously. The outside patch is right here, and then this is the real strong point of the surfboard that was there originally. And now if you could see the hints of the fiberglass. Everything's real feathered in, and most importantly, there's a lot of fiberglass right here at the repair feathered in back to the board, and that's going to give you the real strong bond where there's no weak points. A lot of people will sand too much outside here and put a little patch right here, which will make this strong, but everything real weak right here. So what we've done is made it a big patch, get it all feathered in, and now we'll go over back to our hot coat resin and we'll put a nice gloss coat on it.